Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues. So today we want to talk about one of those issues. It's becoming more and more of a topic, and that has to do with getting divorced after a long-term marriage. Sometimes people call that a gray divorce. There may be others who take offense at that. I don't know, but I will tell you that the concept is you're talking about people who've been married for a long time. And I have to tell you that those issues for a longer term marriage, they are a little bit more complicated. There may be more property to divide. There may be more issues of alimony. There may be more debts that have to be resolved. One of the main things, though, you're going to have to prepare yourself as you go down this road is you're going to have to realize you probably spent your entire adult life with this person who you are now divesting yourself of. And good, bad, or indifferent, you're going to have to prepare yourself for a new situation. I was going to call it a condition. It's not really a condition, but it's a new living situation. And what is that living situation? It's the situation of living alone. You're this person with you, you're, maybe with kids, maybe without, different things going on. Maybe you were at work a lot, so it didn't really feel it. But now you're talking about a situation where maybe you're retired. Maybe your kids live near you, so that's a distraction, but maybe they don't. And if they do, maybe next year they're going to move for a job or something else, and now it's just you and this other person. You divorce that other person, now it's just you. As you get older in your golden years, you're alone. You need to understand that, getting a divorce creates a new reality for you. And the reality is, yes, I don't have to deal with this person anymore. Yes, I don't have to be nagged to death. Yes, I don't have to nag someone else to death. Great. All those things are correct. But there's another reality, and it's the reality of being by yourself. The reality of waking up in the morning and going throughout your day and not having that other person there to bounce things off of, to laugh, to maybe get yell at a little bit or whatever. But, there's a certain glue that keeps couples together for 20, 30, 40, 50 years, and it's not easy. It's not an easy thing to accomplish. But once you've accomplished it, one of the things that you're going to have to realize is if I divest myself of this accomplishment, I'm going to be by myself. There's an old expression, better alone than in bad company. Maybe it's good to be by yourself, but it is a reality that you have to face, and there's a certain stress or a certain anxiety that could come along with being with someone your whole life and all of a sudden you're by yourself. When there's a good marriage and one of the spouses dies, one of the things that is mourned is, okay, of course the person died and it's a terrible thing, but now the survivor has to look at the rest of their life being alone. That being alone is a very, very difficult thing to cope with. So as you approach the process and you think to yourself, you know what, I really want to get divorced, one of the things you should contemplate is, what is your life going to be like after the divorce? Can you survive the post-divorce situation that will be thrust upon you? Now, maybe you can and maybe you can't. Maybe you've been separated for a long time, so it doesn't matter. Or maybe you're living in Florida, he's living in Michigan. In other words, maybe your marital life already has a certain amount of separatism to it. That's fine. But if it doesn't, you need to be aware that this is something to consider. If you have any questions about that, reach out. Of course, we'll be glad to help you.